What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and teach you how you can go and get some Udemy course for free and add a skill to your life while sitting at home. So for example, if you like some course, just scroll it, they are paid. Now how you can go and get some courses for free and get certified with that. So just go on Facebook and just go and search Udemy over there. There are too many groups. For example, if I open one of the group, I go and visit the group. There are people who are actually promoting like complete Facebook marketing for beginners. So if I just go and open it up, I will go to the Udemy page. Now you must be having some Udemy account. Now over here, if you look closely, the course is of 4,800, but just they are promoting it online. How you can go and you just have to go and find out the topics, Facebook marketing, so on and so forth. You can go and find out, like if you're not interested in this course, there are courses for something which I am not supposed to say, but you can say it in front of your screen. Affiliate marketing for beginners, this is my course. I gave it for free for 3 days. You can go and get this course, but now it is going to be paid. Okay, so this is one of my course, and that's how I promote my course as well, and people actually take the course after that. Now this course is paid and I got this apply like over here, and from here I can go and keep on enroll. Now this course I got it for free. Great choice. They say 30 days money back, but I got this course for free and I can learn it from it, and I will get certified if I complete this course online. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Make sure to add some skill to your life, and I'll see you guys next time.